Hello and welcome to our presentation, It's All in the Numbers. This presentation will cover all the numbers associated with GNG and why we believe that this is the best opportunity in the blockchain, crypto, NFT and network marketing space today. Why network marketing? We all know that network marketing or MLM is the best business model in the world when it works. It is an opportunity like no other, where small efforts in the right team can change your life and the lives of many others. We all know and can name at least one great company in network marketing who have been around for years. What these companies have in common is a tangible and sustainable product that you have to buy over and over again. And to this product is attached a bonus plan and network marketing system that also works over and over again. For the last decades, we have seen companies adapting the network marketing model with different products to attract new clients. We have seen companies with products like coins, forex trading, metaverse, and recently DAO enter the market, but with no tangible and sustainable products. The trend amongst these companies is that they are offering income opportunities that for the majority that join are not achievable. And all of these companies hide their actual product behind an education or e-learning program. Many of these companies are exposed to huge risk, and the risk capital belongs to the networkers that recruit the masses to these opportunities. We believe that most of these companies start with the best intentions, but they do not take their risk management seriously, and for that reason end up failing and closing down. And those that join end up losing their capital. What makes us different is the simple fact that we know that the funds coming into our company through the community is the community's money, and that we are here to manage it. We do not risk anything, because for us, all is covered in the numbers. We will stick to our numbers and deliver as promised. And that is why we, together with our community, will build the world's largest and most functional community, and a token managed as a fund in the NFT and crypto space. Did you know that 150 million people from around the world use network marketing as their main or extra income source? The big dream in network marketing is to become a multimillionaire with small or little effort. So you constantly hear, join us with $1,000 and next year you will see the millions flowing into your account. But in reality, this happens for a very small number of people. And for the rest of us, we have to work for it. Nothing in life comes easy or for free, except if you're lucky and hit the jackpot in the lottery. But the chances of that are even slimmer. So when you join GNG and follow our do, teach, repeat system and collect brand building NFTs to get the maximum amount of gifted tokens, you will earn money. And everyone who does this earns money. How much? Well, that is up to you and your team. But to reach from $5,000 to $50,000 in quarterly income should be easy to achieve with the right team in our system and the GNG opportunity. And this will be a life-changing income for many of our community members. And it is this that separates GNG from any other network marketing company and the 150 million people who are already in other network marketing opportunities. And what makes us unique is the fact that it does not matter if you go in with $50 or $2,000. You can never lose your money. What a perfect opportunity for networkers. You can now invite everyone you know with a clear conscience. And it also does not matter if you come in at number 1,000 or at number 100,000. The opportunity is the same. Remember, it's all in the numbers. 1.9 people is the average number that a networker recruits, or let us say 2 people. And it is easy to understand why this could be the right number, because all of us know at least 2 people who like money and would like to have more of it. In fact, I'm sure it's much more than 2. When you join GNG, you get more than security and an extra income for your investment. You get to be part of an active, vibrant, functional, and happy community. We will have 4 events a year, And these will be about coming together and having a good time celebrating our collective success. The events will be the most important in the calendar year and will assure that we become closer as a community. And to come even closer and more functional is why we have chosen the 2x12 matrix to grow our community. It is the most easy and fair bonus plan in network marketing. When the average in network marketing is recruiting 2 people, it's natural to have a bonus plan where the requirement is a minimum of 2. Building success on facts is the easiest way to be successful. What you see is what you get with us, nothing more and nothing less. It's so easy, and you can calculate your income just by looking at the percentage on each level. And with no additional legs, ranks, or requirements, and with an easy do, teach, repeat system, this should be achievable for all that join us on this journey. Having the right product in the right place at the right time is vital. And we believe that we have found the perfect hybrid business model for network marketing. A token structured as a fund is the foundation and security for a happy and functional community. This is the key to our success. There have been many other network marketing companies that have tried a financial instrument but without any success. We believe our way to do it will find success, as it has been proven many times over in the financial markets for decades. If you ask any financial expert, they will all tell you that an index fund is the most secure investment. And what we have here at GNG is the combination of a fund structure and network marketing that makes us a unique hybrid in the world today. Both NFTs and cryptocurrency are in a downtrend at the moment. We have for the last year seen huge upside in the NFT art market, with hype products and hundreds of millions of dollars coming into this market. But for NFTs are so much more than just art. It's collectibles, games, metaverse, music, film, fashion, property, exchanges, Web 3.0, and much, much more. This is the market we are entering. The predictions for the NFT market is exponential, and predictions like this come around once in a decade. The main reason for these predictions is that most of the products in the NFT space already exist in the traditional market and will in the coming years be digitized using NFT technology. External experts like Technavio believe in the huge upside in this market, and Technavio predicts growth in the market in the next 3 years of 600%. From today's market value of approximately 25 billion to 150 billion by the year 2026, and $1 trillion market by 2030. This is our market and this is our opportunity. This is the right time with the right product, the GNG token. When it comes to the cryptocurrency market, the entire market lost about 1.4 trillion in value in 2022, with the industry facing liquidity issues and bankruptcies, topped off by various negative events and the collapse of the popular exchange FTX. While Bitcoin got a small bump at the start of the year, in line with risk assets like stocks, experts say that Bitcoin is unlikely to retest its all-time high of just under $69,000 anytime soon. But the good news is that we have bottomed. Investors expect 2023 to be a year of caution before a potential bull run that could begin in 2024. We will invest 25% of the capital in the GNG token into cryptocurrency, so it is the right time for us to start. So when the expected bull run comes, we will have the right exposure in this market. The upside in the NFT and crypto market will come. It's just a matter of time and timing. That is why it is important for us to follow what we believe in our diversification strategy and invest without any personal interest or feelings, because we believe in the market as a whole and not in any specific NFT project or coin. This is a diversified investment spread that will minimize our risk. After facing difficulties on all fronts in 2022, Experts believe investors should be rewarded with more opportunities in 2023, even as the global economy confronts headwinds. The expectations are a modest recession in 2023 across all developed markets as central banks continue to battle inflation. But globally, we will be back in full recovery mode in 2024. This coincides with the predictions for the NFT and crypto market and tells us the context behind world economy and our market plan. We have an exciting time ahead and an amazing opportunity with GNG. GNG token will be structured and managed as a fund based on the previous statements. This makes sense. This will create security for the community and token holders, since 25% of our turnover is invested in the NFT and crypto market. By diversification, due diligence, and strict rules set by the company, making our token a low risk project. The only risk for us is timing, but we are here for the long run and for many years to come. Auditing is very important to us and for us. We are audited from day one. One of the reasons for this is that we are breaking new grounds with our product. Nobody has done what we are doing. We will set a precedent for companies to come. All our investments will be presented on our GNG token webpage launching in March, and our quarterly auditing reports will be published there also. The benefit of auditing is that we are open and transparent, and that any third party can confirm that what we are saying and doing are the actual facts. The numbers will be there, and the numbers never lie. An index fund is a financial instrument that aims to cover a certain market with its investments. The strategy is to hit market growth and not a specific company or stock. Let's have a look at some of the most famous index funds globally. The S&P 500, short for Standard & Poor's 500, is a collection of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the US, and it contains one of the best collections of stocks in the world, a fund that has returned investors about 10% annually over long periods of time. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, also known as the Dow, is one of the most popular stock market indexes, along with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite. The Dow tracks the stock performance of 30 large blue chip companies. The Nasdaq Composite is an index that measures the performance of more than 3,000 securities that are listed on the Nasdaq stock market, but it is most famously known for its large number of technology-related companies. The Russell 2000 index tracks the performance of roughly 2,000 of the smallest publicly traded companies in the US. What we know is that funds are the most secure since you are not exposed to a single company or stock, but the whole market. Either the market goes up or down. And history has shown us that when a market goes down, it always comes back up and sets a new all-time high. That's the nature of an evolving economy. And now we could make history and add GNG token in these fund categories. And as you know, our market is NFT and crypto, and it's index that is our goal. We are the first company who has an index fund strategy in this market. We will hit the index and be part of the 600% rise predictions in the next 3 years to come. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund with a portfolio constructed to match or track the components of a financial market index. As you can see, over the past 25 plus years, every time the market has dipped, it has always come back and created a higher high. And this is ultimately how wealth is created over time, following and mimicking market trends. GNG token has the strategy of an index fund with a portfolio constructed to match or track the components of the NFT crypto market. And if the NFT predictions are correct, and the growth is as expected from $27 billion to $147 billion by 2026, then the future is heading for an upside trajectory. And this is how we will create long-term wealth for our GNG token holding community. The GNG NFT fund will allow for lower investment risk and potentially higher returns by building a varied portfolio and spreading our fund and ultimately any potential risk. The GNG token will be managed as an investment index fund in the NFT space, which will allow for lower investment risk and potentially higher returns by building a varied portfolio and spreading our fund and ultimately any potential risk. Our investment strategy will be diversified across multiple NFT-related projects and products. 25% of the fund will be for high-risk investments, typically any startup or seed funding, where we will look for clear exit strategies to secure our initial investments. 25% of the fund will be for medium-risk investments. These could be a pre-token sale, an ICO or an ITO. 25% of the fund will be for low-risk investments, typically a listed token or coin or an established company with a proven track record. These will be the most secure of our investments. And the final 25% will be invested into the cryptocurrency market because we see a huge potential and undervalue in a few established projects and coins. Our diversification strategy has several advantages, like giving the best option in terms of returns within any given project, possible preferential exit rights, and potentially better and earlier deals. This will be possible because we will bring both capital and also an educated and informed community to the investments we make. And this is how we will utilize our community, unlike any other company in this space to date. We are unique compared to any other financial instrument, and that is what makes this such an exciting opportunity. As the community grows, our fund is fed with a 25% capital injection, bringing fresh capital to our investments, which will ultimately result in the token value going up. Unlike in a traditional fund, one unit remains one unit, and the returns are fixed back to the investor. You cannot add to your fund unit no matter how much the incremental increase in value will be. So unlike traditional funds, we will make the GNG fund the most rewarding ever, giving new precedence to old financial models and showing a better way to reward token holders. We have set parameters for our predictions and calculations, and for that we have followed market rules. The predictions are made by Technavio and agreed by many experts in the NFT space and predict a market increase of 600% from now to 2026, giving a quarterly increase of 18.8%, and we have used that to calculate the token value based on our company goals. By the end of 2023, we will build our community to 100,000 token holders with an average NFT price of $1,000. And using financial calculations, give a token value which is based on the listed token value, its real value multiplied by 15. We can calculate price predictions on our GNG token. Based on predictions and calculations and the growth of the community, 10,000 clients at an average 1,000 NFT gives us a turnover of $10 million. 25% of the turnover goes to the token, giving us $2.5 million. You multiply this by 15, which gives you the market value of $37.5 million and a token price of 15 cents, which is market value divided by the total number of tokens. In quarter two, it's the same calculation as in quarter three and quarter four. We just add the 18.8% quarterly percentage increase to the token revenue to reflect the predicted growth in the NFT market. And this is how we calculate the token price. So as you can see, as the revenue to the token increases, the token price is reflected and calculated accordingly. With a solid business plan backed by financial instruments and predictions of market trends, the one thing that we are sure of is that we have an explosive opportunity that is too good to miss. We will deliver where others have failed, and our community will be rewarded hugely for joining us on this oh so exciting journey. The structure in our business opportunity separates us from everyone else. Normally, in a community structure or network marketing model, those who come in first are the winners. But with us, everyone wins. All have an equal opportunity. Those who come in first will have the greatest value in the token, but they will also build value for the members that follow. This is what makes us unique because we are not just relying on the building of the network to build value. It will be our investments and token economics that bring long-term sustainability and value over time. So even if you come in at a number 50,000, you will have full value, a unique brand building NFT with the gifted GNG tokens, the same as those who came in before you, and you will also have the same bonuses available to you no matter at what number or when you start building your team in our community. We have made a system in a rising market where all are rewarded. This is truly a win-win-win situation for the company, for the community network, and for you as a customer. In our community, all have an equal opportunity. Our current gifted GNG token is only 10 cents. And as the community grows, the value of the token goes up. We are currently in pre-launch, and with our grand opening in March, the GNG token will be distributed at a value of 10 cents. We plan to list our token at 50 cents with the strategies explained in this presentation and take the GNG token value to $8 by Q1 in 2024, all calculated and based on market predictions and financial instruments used for hundreds of years in traditional markets. With the GNG opportunity, we are confident that together with our community, we will be securing a better future for all because it really is all in the numbers.